Hello there, this is Jason Franks Fanatical. I'm going to demonstrate a Foresight use case to automate sending an onboarding email to new users manager in Google Workspace. In other words, when a user account is created in Google Workspace for a new employee, the new user's manager should receive a notification email to know the new employee's Google account has been ready. This is a typical use case in IT automation. Here is the automation rule setup in Foresight. First, click the plus button to create a new rule. Then select the user created trigger. If this is the first time you use the trigger, then grant the access and click next. Next, we will add the await action. Now change the wait time to 300 seconds. I will explain the wait action later. Now add next action. We add an action called get user info. This action will pull the user's information like a manager's email. In the primary email field, type 2 left brace symbol to pop out the variable menu and select the user's primary email variable. When you finish, add the next action. We will add an email action. You will need to grant the permission if not. And then in the to field, type 2 left braces and select the manager's email variable. You can copy yourself this automated email if necessary using the BCC field. Next, you will add the subject and the email body. You can insert variables into this field in the same way, like the user's first name and last name, email address, employee ID, or their work phone. When you are finished, click Review. Now give the rule a name and click Create. Great, your rule is set. Now let's go to Google Admin Console to do some tests. In the Google Admin Console's interface, add a new user. Let's create a user. As you notice here, the Admin Console don't provide an option to add the manager's email. When you create the user here, it will immediately trigger Foresight to run your rule. That's why we added the await action of 5 minutes to add the manager's information. Alright, so now we created this user and we have 5 minutes to add the manager's information. We get into the new users page under user information, employee information. We add the employee's ID, the manager's email, and click Save. We also assign a work phone for the new user under the contact information section. All the information we input will be reflected in the email to the manager. Once we're finished, we go back to Foresight to see the result. We shall receive a notification momentarily. The rule log tells you what actions have been taken. Now we go to the manager's email inbox. As you can see, the email has the new user's information, we just input in Admin Console. As we copy the email to ourselves as well, we should receive the same email notification. That's it for the demo. As you add more users in your domain, the workflow will save you significant time. Thank you so much for watching.